Hello guys. Welcome to Tech Fusionary. This is episode 1 of Unboxing Tech Gadgets. Today we are unboxing the MIVI DuoPods i.TWS, the ultimate blend of style, performance, and innovation. Ready to elevate your audio experience? Let's dive in. Feel the power of bass with the electroplated 13mm drivers. These custom amplifiers deliver deep, rich bass and loud, crisp beats that will keep you immersed in your music. Engineered to perform and crafted to impress, the MIVI DuoPods i.TWS feature a stunning matte dual-tone finish. Not just a treat for your ears but a feast for your eyes. Never miss a word with AI-ENC powered call clarity. Whether you are on a busy street or in a noisy cafe, hear and be heard clearly on every call. Running low on battery? No worries. With swift charge technology, get up to 500 minutes of playtime with just 10 minutes of charging. Enjoy over 45 hours of combined playtime and 8.5 hours of onboard time on a single charge. Designed to keep up with your active lifestyle, the DuoPods come with an IPX4.0 rating. Push your limits in the gym and let your adrenaline-fueled playlist keep you going. Proudly made in India, the MIVI DuoPods i2 are built locally to compete globally. Support local manufacturing while enjoying world-class quality. Don't just take our word for it, join the thousands of satisfied customers who rated these earbuds 4.3 out of 5 stars. With 72% giving a 5-star rating, it's clear the MIVI DuoPods i2 are a crowd favorite. Get your MIVI DuoPods i.TWS today for just 999 Bharatiya Rupaya. Elevate your audio experience and join the revolution. Click the link below to buy now. Subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching and happy listening.